Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your weekend love bite. This is Taurus for the weekend of the 11th to the 13th of September. These are general collective readings, Taurus, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and leave the rest. Oops. Why are these cards coming out like this? These were not upturned, so we won't take them. So let's begin here. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So with that prayer said, now Taurus, we can begin, and welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for all your support. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. We meet here weekly and now weekends as well for love bites. So join us, subscribe, we welcome you in. Taurus, having problems in communication this weekend? Let's take an angel blessing card for you before we begin the show. So, Spirit, can we have an angel blessing card for Taurus, please, for this weekend? A blessing or an advice for Taurus? One card, Spirit. Look deeper. You may see things in one way where things could be happening behind your back in the 3D world or in the spiritual world, which are going to be in your favor, Taurus. You may not be seeing all the facts this weekend, right? So don't worry about it. Maybe things are not clear. That's why I had this card of the Ace of Swords in reverse. So things are not little hazy and not too clear. So, but you don't know all the facts yet, okay? So you'll have to dig a little deeper to figure out what things are. And we'll do it here. Let's see if Spirit will give us some insight as to what's happening. If you guys need a personal reading also, Taurus, you're free to reach out. My email is in the description box below. So let's see your first card. Knight of Swords, Ace of Cups, and the Hermit in reverse. That is a strange combination, but let's see the other cards. Yes, Eight of Wands, Two of Pentacles, and the Four of Swords. Yes, the lack of communication is here as well, right? No wonder the Ace of Swords came out. So there could be this masculine here, Taurus, in your life, who was you either had a fight with, there were some harsh words spoken recently, maybe you guys got into some fight or something, and now you're in your head, the memories that you have of this person are not the best, right? Because this person was harsh and rude and mean or whatever he said. But heart of hearts, there is a lot of love here. The Ace of Cups is here. So even though you are thinking on this argument or fight or things that were said by this person which were quite rude actually, you don't have very good memories of this person. But I feel this person is now coming towards you, returning to you, Taurus, with an apology and love. Now I have this cup of love twice, right? Look at the amount of love. Apology with 3 big, huge cups of love. 1, 2, and 3. So whatever this person did, I think is feeling rather mad about it, and it doesn't like the memories created by this fight were not very good. And this masculine is now trying to come out of this hermit mode. Maybe you guys have been in separation or whatever, and now wanting to have victory with his feminine again. Okay, he doesn't want to be in this stuck place where you guys are not talking to each other or whatever, and he wants to win his feminine back. One more card, Spirit, for the Six of Wands, because sometimes it can also indicate ego and pride, right? So I just want to see that he is coming from a good place. Trying to make a decision. What is this decision? Yeah, he's not happy, right? He's not happy. He's not happy that the feminine is no longer talking. He wants, without her in his life and without the conversations probably that you guys have, he's feeling a little left out, and his world is not as bright. So he's trying to make a decision as to what to do. So what he's decided is to come back to you and give you this apology. There is love here. I mean, I don't want to doubt this masculine. There is a lot of love that he has. But here I have somebody who's absolutely shut all communication and is dropping him altogether. This is the feminine, I think, who's decided, I'm not going to talk to him. I don't want to juggle, go back and forth in my mind. I'm sick and tired of him. And I want something balanced in my life. What rubbish is this that one day, it's this and one day it's that. And sometimes he's talking rudely to me and sometimes he's showing me love. I want something very stable and solid. And that is what this feminine is sitting here and healing herself and manifesting, right? I want something stable. I want some body stable. And that's it. I'm not willing to kind of mess with anyone who's going to bring any kind of juggling act. What will he decide? I'm deciding, and I'm going to drop it altogether. And I'm not going to talk to this person anymore. So what's this Two of Pentacles, Spirit? Or dropping? No more juggling. What, Spirit? This feminine is adamant that she wants a just relationship and she wants good communication. I don't like the way this person talks to me, right? I want this with this, like good communication, which is fair and balanced and equal and, makes me feel good, makes him feel good. What is this that one person can just come and speak to me the way, oh my God, I like the way I'm continuing so long on just having, but this whole, I think, spread is based on conversations. Somebody spoke rashly, rudely, and this feminine is saying, no, if you're going to talk to me like that, I'm not talking. So Four of Swords, Spirit. Four of Swords. Yeah, this poor feminine, she felt left out in the cold and abandoned, right? She's healing herself because after the way this conversation happened, again the conversation, she felt really hurt and felt like, she was like sidelined and she doesn't like it. So she says, if you talk to me, you talk to me correct or I'm not talking at all. So what's happening on the weekend? Page of Wands, Seven of Pentacles and the Eight of Pentacles. Okay. Page of Wands, Spirit, for this weekend. There is a message coming for sure. Somebody wants to come in small. Like the page of, two pages, page of Wands and page of Pentacles. So somebody is trying to send a message to you. Trying to is waiting, or maybe waiting. Or one or both of you are waiting from the other person to bring in communication. But I don't think anybody is really making an effort here because nobody is investing in this. And then there's the Tower. What's this Tower, Spirit, for the weekend? What's this Tower going to do? One more. Eight of Pentacles. One more. I think, Taurus, people have turned their backs, first of all, on this, both of you, okay? Now, because of this little bit of ego and pride between the two of you, each one is waiting for the other person to bring in the apology, right? Things are very imbalanced, yet both wanting the same thing, wanting the Ten of Pentacles, Heart of Hearts. But I don't see anybody making a move here. There's a lot of waiting here. From both of you feeling the pain of this. The Tower is in a mutual energy, both of you in contemplation, right? Who's going to bell the cat kind of a situation? Yet nobody kind of making an effort. Spirit, can I have one more card for the Eight of Pentacles in reverse for this weekend? lot of juggling going on. Should I not? Should I not? Is it time to shut this chapter or should we begin again? But holding on. This is what is the confusion. Death in reverse. Nobody is really having a transformation. Nobody is, doing this. Like, let's put an end to the way things were and let's have a fresh new beginning, transformation. Both are holding on to the pain this weekend. Will you reach out or will you reach out? I won't reach out, I won't reach out. Both wanting it, but both waiting for the other person and holding on to this death in reverse energy. Right? None of you are wanting to be the first one to reach out. And that's bringing in a lot of instability because nobody is investing. None of you are investing into this dynamic. But both secretly hoping and wishing for this. 10 of Pentacles. So, yes, look deeper. As my angels say, you may not know this about your masculine or masculine, you may not know this about your feminine. She's missing you and you're missing her, but none of you are taking any action. Action is required here. Okay? So that's all I have for you. Let's meet up next week and see if one of you has had the courage. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.